Okay.
Bitcoin, it just seems like a scam. I was surprised. With us, it was at 6,000 and much lower. I don't like it because it's another currency competing against the dollar. Essentially, it's a currency competing against the dollar. I want the dollar to be the currency of the world. That's what I've always said.
We're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who've donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. As we can see, we are moving up a little. Still, the volume is still not there. Now we have Bitfinex margin shorts surged 378%. And guys, like I've stated time and time again, we know that we're going to be headed lower. The Fed has already stated that they want to shrink liquidity. And Janet Yellen comes out with another statement like she did before. And guys, we know what they're trying to do. Get the narrative out there. But also we have Bitcoin number of daily transactions falls to 2018 levels. And guys, like I've stated, yes, we have open interest, but we wasn't going to get that big pump. We know what the Fed wants to do, and that's build the fourth industrial revolution. That's why they printed all this money, but they had to put it somewhere in order to wash it, guys. That's how the world works. Now, of course, guys, again, looking at the fundamentals, volume, tether, USDC. It let us know which way the market is headed. Now, speaking about the Fed, we had Janet Yellen, which is the Fed's chess piece. Remember, the Treasury actually controls the money. But, guys, we have Janet Yellen saying that the Fed rate hike is a plus. Now, you have a $7 trillion balance sheet, and a Fed rate hike as a plus, even at 0.25 basis points, guys, that would crash the stock market, kill crypto. They are not going to raise rates yet. Yes, we're going to have higher yields. Inflation is definitely going to get out of control. But remember what the Fed does. They create the problem. Wait for the reaction, run in with the solution. We know that free money runs out September 6th for the masses. We have the eviction moratorium that's going to run out in the summer. And we know the New World Order never lets a crisis go to waste. And we can clearly see us heading into this crisis the third and fourth quarter. And guys, make sure you're keeping up with the Fed repo to see how much they're doing on a daily basis. That also let us know which way the market is headed. Now, getting over into the actual news, guys, we have Trump with the Hegelian dialectic. We know they're going to constantly use him as the stock market starts to wind down. Now, he says he's not in favor of Bitcoin because it competes against the dollar. Does Bitcoin compete against the dollar? No, because we use dollars to transact in Bitcoin. We don't do any transactions in Bitcoin. Now we have Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy wants to raise $400 million via debt to buy more Bitcoin. And guys, we know he's nothing but a puppet to sell the New World Order's agenda. Now again, with the Hegelian dialectic, we have some senators want to ban crypto due to the ransomware attacks. And guys, we know this is nothing but a movie. We know who's really behind these ransomware attacks, and it's not China or Russia. Now we have the Bank of England, and I put this inside of my Patreon. Make sure you read over that. We have the Bank of England says consumer deposits could shift to digital currencies if government starts to offer them. And guys, we already know that wallets are going to be attached to the bank accounts. We know that universal basic income is a way to lead into digital currencies so they can airdrop this free money. The same way if we look at China. Remember, China's doing the blueprint. And we have China expands the digital yuan with its latest giveaway trials in Shanghai. So China has been testing the digital currency all year, guys. All year they've been doing this test. So in 2022, they're ready to roll. We know the Asian connection. Please go check out my Society 5.0 videos. So important, guys. We fund everything. Do not forget the United States has funded all this new technology, but we're the ones behind. Now we have the Australian blockchain company builds platform to tokenize solar energy. And we know the renewables. We know Energy Web Token. We know this is the future. We know the climate change agenda. Anytime you see the Fed talking about something, they're going to shift the masses over to renewables. They have trillions of dollars. They're the ones who's printing the money. Now we have Coinshare's list physically backed crypto ETPs on German exchange. And even though it's only a small percentage of the physically backed crypto, it's definitely a start because we see all these products built around betting on the price. Now we have a physical ETP. And lastly, guys, we have JP Morgan executive says the next step in crypto is programmable money. And what did David from R3 say that I always repeat? That's right, to boost the economy. We'll give the people that free money. Program it. Well, they have 3 to 6 months to spend it, or poof, it's gone. We already know that digital yuan can be programmed, where they only can use it at certain retailers. And we know in America it's definitely coming. Just like the welfare system, guys. Is this going to be welfare 2.0? Tokenized, put on blockchain. Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. Now, guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel. Do not forget Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got that own stocks of Xrp, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.